Hi everyone, I'm Lam and I'm a UI UX graphic designer. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can bring life to your digital design through prototyping in Adobe XD. I'll be talking about how you can create transitions between two screens, bringing your project to a whole new level. This video is for someone who will have a basic understanding of Adobe XD and you might already have a digital design. But if you don't, it's okay. You can download the file below and follow along. Let's get started. In my exercise file, you can see 6 screens, a splash screen, a home screen, and a few detail screens. In my prototype, I want the splash screen to go into the home screen after a set amount of time. On the home screen, the users can click on images of the animal and go into their detail screens. Let's animate the screens to get a better feel of how this app will be like for development. To begin prototyping, let's go into prototype mode, which is located on the top left here. It looks almost the same as the design mode, but in the prototype mode, you can connect different elements to create interactions. Let's start with connecting the splash screen to the home screen. I want the splash screen to go to the home screen after a set amount of time. To do that, first select the splash screen artboard by clicking its name. The blue handle will appear on the right side. Drag the handle to connect it to the home screen. The interaction setting on the right here will be activated when there is a link between two elements. Let's look at these settings. First, we can choose what the trigger is. I want the splash screen to stay for a short while before going to the home screen. So here I can click the drop down and choose time, and the delay set for 1 second. The next option is action. We want it to simply transition to the home screen, so here I choose transition. For destination, since we drag the handle from the splash screen to the home screen manually, this is already automatically set up to the home screen. Next, for the animation field, you can set what type of animation you want for this transition. Dissolve will fade from one screen to another. Slide will have one screen sliding over another. For push, it's the new screen pushing the old screen away. Let's try the option push left. We can also choose the easing of the animation. I will choose ease out with a 0.4 duration. Before we test the animation, we should double check the starting artboard. The prototype will start with the selected artboard or the designated one when none is selected. To set the starting artboard, just click the artboard's name and click on the tag on the top left like this. Now that's set, let's test by clicking play on the top right here. It loads up the prototype starting with my splash screen. The home screen slides in. Great. Now let's try linking individual elements with other screens. Let's try the dolphin image. I want the user to be able to click this image and go to the dolphin's detail screen. First, click the element you want to link. Here, I click this image. The handle will show up again on the right side. Just like last time, we will drag this handle to the dolphin's detail page. After that, you can see the link from the image to the page. Looking at the right side again, we can set the interaction for this link. This time, I want the users to tap the image to go into the details page. For the trigger, I choose tap. All the settings would be the same as the previous one to keep the consistency. The action is set to transition, animation is set push left, and the ease out animation with a 0.4 seconds duration. Now let's test this prototype. Deselect the artboard first so that the prototype starts at the beginning and click play. Starting with the splash screen, it loads into the home screen after 1 second. It waits there until I click on the dolphin image. Then it goes into the details page. What if we want the back button to go back to the home screen? That's right. We do that with the same procedure, which is linking the back button to the home screen. Why don't you give it a try? You can pause this video and continue the video once you're finished. You can pause the video now. Welcome back. I hope you had fun linking the back button. Now I will quickly show you how it can be linked. First, click the button, drag the handle to the home screen, and we can see the link being created. Then we check the interaction setting, which is automatically copied from the previous interaction. Now let's play the prototype and check. Good job! Now you learned how to do the basic transition between screens. Feel free to link the other screens provided in the download file. I hope you liked this video. I have a time-lapse video of how I link the other screens after this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or leave a link to your finished prototype. I can't wait to see them. Thank you. Bye.